Lwahle Mseleku and his girlfriend Kwesi, they dated for 6 years, and now the DNA test results is 0%. It can happen that Kwesi can have another boyfriend aside, because at that time they are dating for 6 years. Their relationship was going upside down. That's why you see it take longer that Lwahle to introduce Kwesi to his parents, because he have got a doubt that he is going to marry Kwesi or he is not going to marry Kwesi. You know that Lwahle is a secret person. Sometimes they have a misunderstanding with Kwesi. They separated, they go back together again. But Kwesi says we have got 6 years, we are dating. Those 6 years have got upside down. And Kwesi is a girl other men they want here. Kwesi is beautiful. It's not about that 6 years they are dating with Lwahle. He was dating Lwahle only. So Kwesi have to sit down and rethink again what's happened about the baby than to say it's Lwahle's baby. Sometimes she knows the truth. Other people, they say it can't happen that the baby is still young, because the DNA test results can come and test the truth and say maybe it's 100% and 0%. The DNA test doesn't lie, because Makwela's daughter, Musamseleku's last daughter, have got a DNA test last time, but it came 99.9%. But now Lwahle doesn't believe that it's 0%, because they dated for 6 years. 6 years is doesn't matter, because the matter is about your girlfriend was honest to you for 6 years, because it looks like Kwesi, she is too forward, what I saw. Guys, do you think that Kwesi can date Lwahle only for 6 years? I don't think like that. That girl, she knows what she is doing, because their relationship was upside down. But Kwesi, she decided to be with Lwahle because she saw that with all boyfriends she have been dating, but Lwahle was a nice guy. Women, we know, guys, what we want. We can rather go to a person who takes care of you. Kwesi saw that Lwahle, he is a caring woman. Lwahle, he is so caring and he is so cool. Even her friends, they can tell her, they can saw him on television, because at that 6 years they have been dating. Kwesi have got a fear that maybe Lwahle can have a character of his father Musamseleku, but Kwesi saw that Lwahle, he can have got a dramatic, but she have got her boyfriends at the side of that 6 years. It's not about they dated for 6 years. Their relationship was normal. That's why you see Lwahle wasn't in rush to introduce Kwesi, because he doesn't have a show that he is going to get married. You know that kids, sometimes they are being angry to each other. You can spend 6 months without talking to each other, or a 1 year. Of that 6 years you have been dating, what she was doing, she was with other men. We know that, you understand. Kwesi, she doesn't have to say we dated for 6 years. But Lwahle doesn't know that what Kwesi she is doing at her parents' house when he is not around. You understand? Women, we know, guys, we can go to a man who takes care of us than a man. You know that South African boys, Kwesi is beautiful. Other boys, they want to sleep with her only. But she saw that Lwahle is a caring man, and he cares about her feelings, everything. And he can take care of him, of her, than other boyfriends. Guys, it's not about 6 years. What that girl, she have got statement, what I saw, because other people, they say the DNA results that doesn't lie. We don't know what's going on between the two of them, because to Lwahle now it happened twice, and she is confused, because it can't happen twice. You understand? Musamseleku have to do something about that issue, if she is truly, because the women, guys, can't lie and lie and lie. The DNA test results came 0%, and she is still on that program, on that family. I don't understand, because it can, guys, you don't know life, what's going on. But you can look at that child, Lwahle's, that child is claiming that is Lwahle's child. You can look at the head, you can say that child is Lwahle's child. You can look the head, but the DNA test result says 0%.